The new Fire in the Hole, yes, it's a smooth ride. Yes, it's an indoor ride. But honestly, I was very disappointed with it. Now, let's be fair. They call it a family ride. Family rides aren't typically very fast. It's more of a cart on a track, and it does go up and it has a small drop at one point, but that's the ride. That's the whole ride. Inside this ride, inside the building, it feels like they did well with theming, but then cut some corners and need to come back and finish some of the decoration for the ride. Because the ride Fire in the Hole, the new Fire in the Hole, is brand new this year, the ride wait times for it are ridiculously long, and it's not worth the wait time. So what I would suggest is watching the app for the new Fire in the Hole ride and see when the wait times are low and then ride it then. Typically, you're gonna find long wait times early in the day and shorter wait times near the very end of the day. Hack, right there. If you wanna ride that ride, watch the wait times and you'll probably find better wait times at the end of the day.